So how do you say this in Thailand, Joy?
Mukata.
Mukata.
Yeah, mukata.
Mukata.
Having a mukata.
Yeah.
Sauce.
Yeah. What is this one? It's a dried fish? Ah, ginger. Ah, okay. Yeah, made in Korea. Ah. So why dry ginger? Why not the real ginger? Ah, yeah. 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 Ah, really? So this one is obviously this is a Thai sauce, right?
Is this one from your company? No.
Yeah. Chili sauce. Huh?
Oh, your friend.
Free. Ah, I see. Yeah. Yeah. Wow. Wow. Only one. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Oh, okay. I understand. Yeah. Yeah. It is very expensive. This one, do you used to eat this in Thailand, like just like this, right? And then with the chili and stuff like that, right? Yeah, I remember this one. And this one is a Thai chili.
Like a sauce, but
Yeah.
you try it. Not really spicy. But
Is it?
Yeah, you can try a little bit.
I'll try later. I really like this one. This one. Did you make this one?
Spicy.
Yeah, I know. This is really. What do you call this one in Thai?
I make it. It's
Yeah.
like a seafood.
Yeah.
น้ำจิ้มทะเล
Ah, so you use fish sauce.
Yeah, I use
Yeah.
fish sauce,
Oh,
garlic,
okay.
ginger, lemon.
Yeah.
And yeah. So same.
Wow.
Seven.
มันสุกหรือยังนี่หมู
Seven, yeah.
โอเคลอง
What is it?
สุกแล้ว Maybe already cooked. Just check the pork if you wanna eat. Turn it around.
Yeah. Okay.
มันหล่นแล้วจนจูเธอตาลายเลยค่ะค่ะ
Huh?
โอ้ย
How about this one?
Yeah, you can put this
Put
one.
it
You can
down.
put it on.
And there. Oh no.
No, why?
Oh yeah. No no. You.
Oh.
You.
Sorry.
No.
What is it? Sorry.
She don't want you to use chopstick with the raw meat.
Yeah.
Oh, why? Why?
Over the not pay. No, it's fine.
But it's alright. You can
Ah, just like that. Why is it? Why is it? Why? Tell me why.
Because we use and then eating.
Oh, I see. Sorry. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
It's no virus, so.
Yeah.
Alright, no virus.
Pork is dangerous.
Dangerous?
ไม่
Yeah.
คือหมูดิบไง
Yeah.
Well done.
Yeah.
Well done.
Uh-huh.
Raw pork is dangerous.
Oh, really? Can kill you. But some people eat like half cooked egg.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Some people in Asian
How-
eat raw pork.
Yeah. Raw pork.
Not that.
I see.
Oh, it's fine. We can stay alive.
Yeah.
And
Yeah, this one is
This is a good experience, Joy. Thank
And
you.
it's cooked นางถ้าเกิด
And then
สุก
what?
แล้วนางเอาลง
And then what sauce is this, Joy?
ถ้าสุกแล้วนางเขี่ยลงเลย
I'm gonna
ถ้า
try
มั
the
นสุก
sauce.
แล้วนางเขี่ยลงเลย
oh no. Okay, don't do.
So what the sauce is this, Joy?
Try it. It's
Just
kinda
try
like a, yeah.
Yeah, I'll just try it.
Lots of things in. I didn't make it. I buy.
Yeah.
Sorry, Joy.
Ah, yeah.
Okay.
เอาน้ำสีเห็ดให้น้ำเห็ดเอาไป Oh, baby.
And you can take the soup
Mmm, so
there.
yummy.
Yeah, the sauce is quite
I like it. Ah,
I will eat it like
I'm
this.
very
okay.
I'm
Yeah.
very full.
I'm just gonna put it.
How do you eat like that?
Yeah, I'm just gonna go
Like that.
like that.
Uh-huh.
With
Like
some
that.
salt.
And that's it.
Yeah.
Yum.
Oh, yummy.
Yummy. Yeah.
โอเคกินเมื่อไหร่ก็ได้วะ today over today eating
ถูกปะเรา
I'm joking yeah
Mm.
อ๋อยัง
Yummy.
แปลว่าแจกโกไปเลยนะพอเรากินไป
So this one we eat raw or just like
just
we have to
cook
cook
it
it?
on.
Ah, I see. Okay, but not the stick, right?
you can take everything
This one
Oh,
is
thank you.
fish tofu
Fish tofu. Oh, thank you.
shrimp
How? Where did